Matt Pesky with Masque Sound. I'm the Installation Department's manager.
My name is Keith Caggiano. I work for Masque Sound in the Installations Department. I'm a senior project manager there. And I was involved in the Hudson County School of Technology project. The school is a brand new school focused on technology. Our portion of it encompassed an auditorium, black box theater, gymnasium, a recording studio, and a TV production studio.
We pretty much put in an all-encompassing AV system between the different spaces. The spaces are all interconnected through audio and through video, but they also can operate independently.
The complication came in integrating multiple spaces together while isolating them at the same time. The backbone of the system at Hudson County is Dante.
I believe there's 50 plus different Dante-enabled devices throughout the different rooms that all connect together and allow audio to be shared throughout all those spaces. All the different Dante devices ultimately stream from the consoles to the different I/O devices to the network switches. In a lot of the spaces, we're using both a skilled operator and non-skilled operator system.
We've used SimView to allow access to a select amount of parameters, system compression, speaker EQ, those kinds of things.
Symetrix plays a key role in bringing those things together and allowing parameter control that we deem fit for the individuals operating the system.
Symetrix was kind of central to the ability to switch between all of those use cases.
We're utilizing 4 edges along with 2 X-outs.
There's 4 main DSP processors in total, 1 each in the gymnasium and the black box, and another 2 for the auditorium, which is a much larger input-output scenario.
Symetrix played a critical role in allowing overall system control of all of the different AV systems.
Hudson County School of Technology was a fairly complex project, and Symetrix was a bit of a linchpin in the middle of all of that and allowed for some system operability that would have been difficult to achieve with other products, I think.